everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today we are going to do another Halloween look. In case you didn't notice, we are going to do a look where it looks like an ice cream cone landed on my head and started melting down. First thing we're going to do is draw where we want our little melty areas to be. That is where we're going to start first. We're going to color in this area pink. For those pink shades, we are going to be using the new BH Cosmetics Sweet Shop Cherry on Top palette. Here's what it looks like. Now I'm going to do the next layer, and we're going to paint that all in white. I'm going to take a little bit darker of a pink shade and kind of outline that little area that I did in pink, just to kind of give it a little more depth. Okay, now we're going to go in with blue, and we're only going to do blue on part of this white. I'm just going to outline it right now. Now we are going to blend in that blue using a brush and some blue eyeshadow from the BH Cosmetics Sweet Shop Bubblegum Palettes. Okay, and now what we're going to do, because we got pretty much the base down right now, we are going to start doing like the eyes. We're going to fill in the eyebrows in purple, and I'm going to start doing that right now, and then we're going to fill in the eyes and put a little bit of color into them, and then we are going to finish with a little bit of shadowing in the face area. Moving right along. Now we are going to go into a little bit of shadowing. We're just going to like deepen up some of these areas. We're going to add some sprinkles, and then we're going to add some lip. Okay, I did go ahead and add a little bit of mascara and a few little sprinkles, and this is the completed look. You can definitely accessorize with this costume and come up with a super colorful costume to go along with this look. I think there are so many possibilities. I absolutely love it. It didn't quite come out the way I wanted it to, but I think the end result is really pretty, and I really do like this look. So that is this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.